July 16th, 2019, leaving at 12:22 in the morning, and it is 68 degrees.
I've been all around the world. It's only $31.
Jeez, you put that mustache back.
Every place. Always been a restless girl. But now there's a window change. I've never ever felt this way.
Here's the story, guys. This is going to be our very first DVC stay. We actually bought in September of 2018. Today is July of 2019. And we haven't used any of our points yet until now. And it's just one night. We added it on to another trip, and oh my goodness, here it is, here it is. Oh, it's so pretty. Now, do you remember it?
I think so.
You think so?
Let's go to the pool.
We are gonna go to the pool. Parking lot, the only parking lot. That's the bad thing, guys, is that this is the only parking lot for all of Wilderness Lodge. Doesn't this feel so weird? Our first day
I think it feels weird.
at Wilderness Lodge.
Cool.
It is definitely cool. They're excited. They're leaving us. Tom found the buffalo tracks here in the cement. I can't believe this is our home resort. This is so exciting. The kids left us.
So, that's just fun.
Are you holding it up? So you've never been in this resort before. What's your first impression?
There's a lot of wood.
Yep, Wilderness Lodge makes sense.
Big.
Our first stop is the Roaring Fork. That's their quick service. We're pretty hungry. It is just about 12. You think it's cold? I don't. Let's see what they have. They have wine in little jars. Check out the campfire cupcake. Oh my gosh, what kind of donut is this? Look at the campfire. Look at the campfire one.
Look at this donut.
Oh, the fruity pebbles.
Campfire one's pretty good.
Yeah, it's bib lettuce.
It actually works.
Really? Are you actually gonna eat your lettuce?
I hope that was water and not grease.
You just do.
Are you gonna eat your
I'm gonna eat half of it.
Oh my gosh, why are you throwing that? Okay, no, I don't want, it's hit the table. I don't want that. Okay, anyway, so Lakeland got, let's see your Mickey waffles, Lakeland, because he got chicken and waffles, and you know it has to be a Mickey waffle. Let's see that Mickey waffle. All right, and bacon cheeseburger.
That's really tasty, actually.
Really like that. What is it?
It's a roast beef,
Really good.
hot roast, warm roast beef sandwich.
And it's really good.
It
Yeah.
is.
I am really curious to see how good this special grilled cheese is with caramelized onions. It looks really good, and can't go wrong with Disney French fries. Oh, so it comes with it on the side. So syrup and pecan butter goes with the chicken and waffles.
Can you grab some more napkins?
What do you think of your chicken and waffles?
Fine.
Food critic is not in your future. Let's see your arm, Skylin. Let me show you what Skylin has done. So if you'll notice, her band looks smaller, and that's because it is. So she took off, these are removable, to make the band smaller, especially if you have small kids. A lot of people didn't know that these would come off. So everyone else liked their food. I was probably more excited than any of them on what we got, and I was disappointed. So the bread was extremely greasy and soggy, and there wasn't really a lot of cheese on it to be a gourmet grilled cheese. So I would definitely not recommend that and not get it again. So that's the main doors.
So there, it's just a weather vestibule.
Yeah. Inside, so let's check out the second floor. No way. We could come out here. Nobody's out here. I mean, there's no benches or anything, but whoa.
We'd bake if we stayed very long.
Yeah, we definitely bake. It's hot.
But it's
But you can.
there's a lot of
Come up
really
here.
nice, quiet, cool little places around.
Oh,
here
yeah.
to hang out.
I mean, take a look. So like I was saying earlier, unfortunately that parking lot is the only parking for the entire resort. Little windows.
Very nice.
More little windows. Guess there was a stray seed and it survived.
One rogue plant.
Yep. I don't even know what floor we're on. We're on the third now? We're on the third.
We're on 5.
Another little sitting area. Ooh. Nice.
Hey, we can sit.
Yep.
You kind of feel like you own the place. You're sitting right here.
Would feel like you kind of own the place. Looking out right here. This is, oh, what's with the bear up there? This is nice. Guys, you see this kid right there on the couch? Yeah, he's asleep. Our room is not ready and he's zonked out. Skyland's already at the pool. A more detailed view of the chandelier. The level right below us has a little walkway to this little balcony. Oh, that overlooks the stream. Oh, I'm really close to the, ooh, let's touch it.
Dear.
Fabric.
What?
It's fabric. Check out that view. Oh my goodness. The boat out there. Wow. Fossils of the Grand Canyon. Level 6, it says. It is 2:48 p.m. We just got the text alert that our room is ready. But we're gonna check out one more floor here and then we'll grab the kids and go find our room. Wow, we're at the tippy top here. The top of the totem pole. Oh yeah. Ah. Chairs, rocking chairs.
Old Faithful Club. You're right, it is Club.
Yeah, that's what I thought. So, over there is for club level. Because I hear plates and stuff, I think. So, alright, let's go get the kids. Oh, whoa, look at this view. Oh, the pool, the lake.
Wouldn't the higher floors be awesome?
Yeah, we found out we're on the first floor. Tom's not happy. First Wilderness Lodge elevator ride. Is it exciting?
And we made it 3 floors.
Oh, I forgot there's actually another piece of luggage. Skyland's carrying hers. We're prepared, guys. We're prepared. 1151. Which way? 1151. 1151. First DVC room. Are y'all ready?
I hope so.
Got it? We are right here at the pool. All right, let's see what everybody thinks. They're trying to get in. It's not going well. All right, your room tour. That does not come with it. All right, we open up this door. We get a closet with extra pillow, blanket, and safe, ironing board, and iron. We have a very small kitchenette. Ooh, this pulls out. And we have can opener and plastic silverware, trash can, and oh, by the way, for you wine drinkers, corkscrew. And paper towels, refrigerator, no freezer. Oh, but that's nice. You can actually put cans. Microwave and cups, ice bucket, toaster, and paper products. Large mirror and bathroom. Spacious. Very spacious. Tissues, trash can, your H2O products, and let's see. Okay, so there's no like dispenser for shampoo and all that like at the moderates. So hence that. So we have a drawer there, lots of drawers. Take a look at all the fixtures. Oh, that's a fox. An arrow, leather straps. Okay, so this opens up more storage, or put that down. And let's take a look out at our view real quick. So table, 2 chairs, wow, humid. And, oh, Geyser Point is right there, or around the corner. Nice. Look at that view. Wow. Extra touches that the rod looks
Very nice.
wood, like wood. So right away we noticed that if we were going to stay for a long period of time with 4 people, this is not the room to, well, you could, if you actually were able to unpack everything, and they do have, the beds are high enough that you can put luggage underneath, that it would be okay. But if it's a short trip like tonight, it's tough.
Okay would be stretching it.
Yeah.
It would be plausible. How about
Yeah, tonight's going to be tough because like right now I've got a suitcase here. You don't want to unpack for one night, but I'm going to have to move it because that chest has to be moved because this fold out needs to be opened out at one point.
I'm not even sure where my suitcase is.
Yeah, it's like we've got things stacked. So, but still nice clean room.
Yeah.
Just for a short trip and you're not going to unpack. It's going to be tough if there's more than 2 people.
Yeah, 2 people would be great.
Yeah, 2 people is fine, but for more than 2 people, it's going to be a little more tough. For us to go to the pool is completely convenient. We just walk down the one hall and we're right here. Kids are going to rest in the room, and Tom and I are going to check out Geyser Point. We've had to move stuff around to make room for the pull-out bed. And actually, there's quite a lot of room right now, but there won't be. Like, I've had to slide a suitcase here. Yeah, we've stuffed stuff all over the place. Wow. Do y'all see that? I see a huge hump. A lump, not hump, a lump, a sag, a huge sag there in the middle. What do you think about that? Hopefully it's okay. Poor Skylar and Lakewood. Well, y'all aren't going to be sleeping in the middle anyway. Y'all are going to be on the edges anyway. Probably. It's so bad. What's bad about it? Not a lot of foam on wood. It's thicker here. So sleep with your head up here. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, sleep with your head up here and put your feet down there. It's still bad. It's still so bad. Well, that is good to know. Viewers need to know that.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change.